student. Today we are discuss one theorem, pair of straight line passing through the origin. Theorem number third. This statement is a homogeneous equation of degree 2 in x and y, ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0 represents a pair of line passing through the origin if h square minus ab greater than or equal to 0. Therefore, proof is consider the homogeneous equation of degree 2 in x and y is ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0. This is the equation first. There are two conditions. Consider the two cases. First case is a b equal to 0 and second is a b not equal to 0. Therefore, first case is if b equal to 0, the value of b equal to 0, then equation first becomes the equation first is homogeneous second degree equation ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0. The case first is b equal to 0, the value of b is 0, therefore ax square plus 2hxy plus by square, the value of b is 0, 0 into y square equal to 0. Therefore, ax square plus 2hxy plus 0 into y square is 0 equal to 0. Therefore, ax square plus 2hxy equal to 0. Ax square means a into x, x square means x into x plus 2hxy equal to 0. X is a similar, this x and this x in a common, therefore x is a common, in bracket ax plus 2hy equal to 0. Therefore x equal to 0, and ax plus 2hy equal to 0. X equal to 0 and ax plus 2hy equal to 0. This equation passing through the origin, therefore ax square plus 2hy equal to 0 passing through the origin. We observe that the lines, these lines passes through the origin. We observe that these lines passes through the origin. We discuss the case second. If b not equal to 0, then we multiply equation first by small b. Therefore, equation first is ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0. This is the homogeneous second degree equation in x and y. Therefore, we multiply b into ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0. Therefore, b into ax square, ab into x square, b into 2hxy, 2hx b into xy, and b into by square means b square into y square equal to 0. Therefore, we write firstly b square into y square plus 2h into bxy equal to ab square transpose on right side plus ab square is a minus ab square. To make LHS completing the square, we add h square into x square to both sides. Therefore, by square, left side is a by square plus 2h bxy plus h square into x square equal to, we add right side h square into x square and minus ab square ab x square as it is. Therefore, b square into y square plus 2h into bxy plus h square into x square. The square of this term by plus hx bracket square, this square root is a by plus hx bracket square equal to x square are similar. X square is a common into h square minus ab. Therefore, the solution of by plus hx bracket square, this solution b square into y square plus 2h bxy plus h square into x square. This form is by plus hx bracket square equal to x square into h square minus ab. Therefore, by plus hx bracket square equal to h square minus ab into x square as a given condition, h square minus ab greater than or equal to 0. Therefore, by plus hx bracket square equal to this term as it is. This square root is h square minus ab. The square root of h square minus ab bracket square means h square minus ab root is a cancel. This form is h square minus ab bracket square into x square. This transpose, this term transpose on left side. By plus hx bracket square minus root h square minus ab bracket square into x square by using formula. By using formula a square minus b square equal to, this factor is a plus b into a minus b. We use the formula. A means hx plus by plus hx and b means root h square minus ab. We use the formula a square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. Therefore, a means by plus hx plus b. B means root h square minus ab and this square root x square. This square root is a x and second bracket is a minus b. The value of a is a by plus hx minus b means root h square minus ab into x equal to 0. Therefore, we write firstly hx plus root h square minus ab into x plus by into, we write hx minus root h square minus ab into x plus by equal to 0. Therefore, this is the similar x. X is a common. This x and this x is a common. H plus root h square minus ab, x is a common into x plus by into this x and this x are similar. X is a common. H minus root h square minus ab into x plus by square, by equal to 0. Therefore, h plus root h square minus ab into x plus by equal to 0 and h minus root h square minus ab into x plus by equal to 0. We observe that these lines are passes through the origin and some conditions are, first condition is, there are three conditions. First condition is if h square minus ab greater than 0, these lines are distinct. And second condition is if h square minus ab equal to 0, these lines are parallel or coincident. Coincident means parallel. If h square minus ab equal to 0, these lines are parallel or coincident. And third condition is if h square minus ab is less than or equal to 0, does not represent a pair of lines. This condition is h square minus ab, the value of h square minus ab is less than 0, the lines does not represent a pair of straight line. Okay. One example is, show that the line represented by x square minus 2hxy minus 3y square equal to 0 are distinct. Therefore, we see the first example. Solution is given equation of lines. Given equation of lines are x minus 2xy minus 3y square equal to 0. Compare the homogeneous second degree equation in x and y. Compare with the equation ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0. Therefore, the similar term x square is a cancel. The coefficient of x square is a 1. The value of a is a 1. The value of a is a 1. The value of a is a 1. xy are the similar term. xy is a cancel. 2h equal to minus 2. Therefore, 2h equal to minus 2 and h equal to minus 2 divided by 2. Therefore, h equal to minus 1. The value of h is a minus 1. Y square is similar term. This term is a cancel. The value of b equal to minus 3. The value of b equal to minus 3. We check the value of, show that the line represented by x square minus 2xy minus 3y square equal to 0 are distinct. Therefore, we check the value of x square minus ab. The value of h is a minus 1 square minus a into b. The value of a is a 1 into the value of b is a minus 3. Minus 1 square is a plus 1. Minus 1 square is a plus 1 and minus 1 into minus 3. Minus this product is a plus 3. 1 plus 3 is a 4. 1 plus 3 is a 4. Therefore, x square minus ab equal to 4. 4 means greater than 0. 4 is a greater than 0. Therefore, x square minus ab equal to 4 greater than 0. The value of 4 is a positive. Means 4 is greater than 0. Therefore, x square minus ab equal to x square minus ab greater than 0. Greater than 0. These lines are distinct. These lines are distinct. First condition is a verify. These lines are distinct. We see that the second example. Second example is show that line represented by equation x square minus 6xy plus 9 square equal to 0. Therefore, second example is this solution is given equation is x square minus 6xy plus 9y square equal to 0. Given equation is x square minus 6xy plus 9y square equal to 0. Compare the homogeneous second degree equation. Compare with the equation. Equation is, what is the homogeneous second degree equation? ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0. Therefore, x square is a similar. The coefficient of x square is a 1. A equal to 1. The value of a is a 1. xy cancel. Therefore, 2h equal to, the coefficient of xy is a minus 6. 2h equal to minus 6. h equal to, this 2 transpose on a right side, minus 6 divided by 2. 2 into h. This is the 2 is a multiply. Transpose on right side, minus 6 divided by 2. 2 1s are 2. 2 3s are 6. The value of h equal to minus 3. The value of h equal to minus 3. Y square cancel. The value of b is a 9. Therefore, we check the condition. These lines are coincident or parallel. These lines are, show that the line represented by equation x square minus 6xy plus 9y square equal to 0 is a parallel or coincident. We check the condition of parallel or coincident. A equal to 1, h equal to minus 3 and the value of b equal to 9. We check the condition h square minus ab equal to, the value of h is a minus 3 bracket square minus a into b. The value of a is a 1 into b is a 9. The value of h is a minus 3 square and this minus as it is. The value of A is a 1 and the value of B is a 9. Minus 3 square minus 1 into 9. Therefore, minus 3 square is a plus 9 and minus 1 into 9 is a minus 9. 9 minus 9, 0. Therefore, h square minus AB equal to 0. H square minus AB equal to 0. This condition is verified. H square minus AB is a parallel or coincident. Therefore, these lines are parallel. These lines are parallel. Do you understand? Okay.